नमस्कार दोस्तों, दिस इज़ गौरव मावी. वेलकम टू another videos in through which I am trying to improve my communication skill. I hope all of you are doing great and also trying to practice communication skill. And I know that most of you can understand what I am speaking, because most of us understand when someone talks in English, but we are not able to speak in English. So I can totally understand that. I also had this difficulty, but now slowly and steadily I am trying to improve my communication. So today again I came for a running. I ran for 3 kilometers, and I'm also thinking to participate in August marathon 21 kilometer. Uh, so that's what my plan is. Earlier I had only run one marathon, which was of 10 kilometer. So my friends, running is very important. Doing exercise is very important. No matter what form of exercise you do, but doing I give priority to running and doing outdoor exercise, whether push up, squats, or running. Running is my favorite. You start to run slowly, and then slowly uh, the sweat will start to appear, and that's the best feeling. And then you will get some kind of energy, and you start to run with more faster pace. So that is uh, that is the beauty of running. It removes all the stress, all the depression. It clears your mind. It helps you to be focused, uh, because you run in the morning, and I love to run in the morning. So you get kind of strength throughout the day, kind of refreshness throughout the day. You are able to finish more work in less number of time. You don't get tired easily. So that's why I love running in the morning. And some people like to run in the evening as well. That is also fine. It's up to you it how comfortable you are. But one thing is clear: whether you run in the morning or evening, it is beneficial. It is super important. uh, it is the best form of exercise in my opinion. And you should run often. Sometimes you don't feel like running, so you can just uh, wear your shoes, and you can just come out, uh, telling your mind that I'm going to run just for like I'm just going to walk today. And believe me, you will end up running for 1 or 2 kilometers, or even more than, because once you uh, overcome that obstacle, once you overcome that uh, friction, when your mind tells not to go out, just to lie there in the bed, you are definitely making a progress. You will definitely end up running. You will definitely uh, end up in a good shape. So this getting in a shape, right, living a healthy life, these are not miracle. Anyone can be healthy, anyone can be fit, anyone can live a disease free, stress free, uh, a depression free life, productive life. What it takes, just some effort. What it takes, just some consistency. What it takes, to ability to show up. What it takes is some discipline. It doesn't matter whether you are doing workout for 1 hour or 2 hours. What it matters is whether you are coming daily or not. You may skip. I always do that. There is no perfect thing. Even jewelry, that uh, jewelry is also made with the gold that has some impurity. So nothing can be perfect. Even moon also has some, you know, it is not perfectly transparent. right? It has some sport, some dark spot. So similarly, nothing is perfect, right? There is a friction in everything, right? And that is important. So you should not think that I should need to be perfect, I need to come out daily, I need to work out daily every day. No, I need to follow a very good diet, I need to stop everything, like any fried food, any uh, fast food. I need to stop eating sugar, I need to stop eating ice cream, all those things. No, you just need to control, you just need to be aware what you are eating, you just need to be mindful that how much should I take intake, right? And same thing, like if you are not running, coming for exercise for every day, if even if you are coming alternate day, let's say in a month you came you did exercise for 20 days or 15 days, and you're doing great job, right? You should congratulate yourself, right? Because sometimes you will end up doing for 25 days, sometimes you will end up doing for 15 days, but what thing that is important is that you are coming, right? You are the person who are willing to come out of the comfort zone, right? And these things will benefit you, these things improvement uh, will uh, these things will improve your life, right? One action leads to another, right? One positive action will lead to another positive action, one good habits will lead to another good habits. Waking up early will leads to doing exercise in the morning, spending time with your uh, family, uh, reading books, right? So you just choose one good habit, and you will end up uh, adopting many other good habits. Same thing applies for bad habits. You just start one bad habit, right? It will lead you in a chakra view of many other bad habits, right? You start with staying up late, you will end up uh, watching movies, right? Doing unproductive work, eating unhealthy food in the night, right? And then you will wake up late in the morning, then you will be late, you will hurry up to go to office, then your whole day will be uh, you know like it will be kind of disarrangement. You will not have a uh, you will not have order in your life, you will be frustrated throughout the day, you will be in hurry to do all the things throughout the day, you will not be able to enjoy your day, you will not be productive. Even small work will look like a mountain to you, right? So that is that's why it is important that you adopt good habits, even if you are not consistent, even if you are not doing it every day, even if you are doing it for like as I told 15 days or even if 10 days, then you should congratulate yourself. You should not think that I am not I want to be able to do that, those are some other person, they have some different gene. I have already told these things earlier to you. Anything, whether it is to speak in English, whether to do exercise, to work out daily, whether to be good at your study, whether to be successful in your life, what it takes is effort, what it takes is some small steps. You should not belittle yourself, you should not think that I won't be able to do this thing is for someone else, I won't be able to make crore rupees, I won't be able to clear this job, I won't be able to get a job, I have no my life has no meaning, right? So those things, with efforts, with some consistent efforts, with some small steps that you take today, will definitely change your life, will definitely bring positive changes. Your life will change, your life will become more meaningful, you will have healthy relationships, you will have a wonderful healthy life, and you will be able to enjoy this precious life. We we we, we don't live, right? Sometimes because we are not living it correct way. There is a process, there is a I also used to feel that there is a process, like to do anything, and same thing applies for to live life. You should come out your comfort zone, you should adopt some challenging things like doing exercise, eating healthy food, and then your life will start taking shape in good direction. So with these words I end up this video. Keep practicing communication skill, keep reading good books, and comment and let me know whether these videos are benefiting you, whether you are getting motivated to do something, and keep doing good things in your life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste.